Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Up Close and Personal with Rising Stars with your host and host Riddhi. We at Up Close and Personal interact with the promising stars to give you idea about what makes them different and also to find about that secret ingredient that drives them to success. So why wait? Let's get started. Corporation Limited, also known as ACL, is a leading polymer distribution group spread across globe and has 3-generation legacy. We have with us the director of the same company, Mr. Kuntal Sanghvi. Yeah, hi Kuntal. I wanted to know, and our viewers also would like to know, what is it that changed within ACL and in you personally post-COVID to adapt to the new normal in the global market?
To me, if I have to answer this in very simplistic form, that whatever the life situation is never in anyone's control, but how you respond to that situation is something which is in your control. So I think the best lesson to learn from this COVID is that competition is no more the primary goal and focus. It have to be the collaboration, which we always discuss, that the collaboration have to be the flavor of the new business INCs, not the competition. Because I am a firm believer, survival of fittest is an animal instinct, not a human instinct. Unless we understand this new norm and understand the value of collaboration over competition, I believe COVID is definitely here to stay.
Also, I went through your site, which is very impressive. But one thing that appealed me the most and which was pretty bold is your tagline. So ACL says, "We know the way." I really want to know what it is and who came up with this.
Well, that's a very interesting observation, Riddhi. That definitely is a tagline with lot of clarity and lot of boldness, and it was created by my father, Mr. Mahesh Sanghvi. We know the way is coming from a very deep thought process that from the legacy where ACL started till current date, ACL always have been successful in one area for sure, that is to create a strong synergy between us, our team, customers, and the associates. So that is how when the whole synergy and the whole segment and the whole team evolves and excels, so we call we as this synergy who excels, and that is how it comes as we know the way. So that is the history behind it.
Today we have with us a power couple which will not only change our mindset about hashtag couple goals, but also tell us how to together make your business a big success. Welcome, Dara. I'm sure it's your first time sharing the screen with your husband. How does it feel?
It's a privilege to share the screen with him, Riddhi, and I am more than honored to have a conversation with you today.
So our viewers here would like to know that how do you draw a line between your professional and personal life? You both being a director and also being a wife to him. How does that function?
Honestly, Riddhi, we do not feel the need to draw a line at all. ACL is like our family, so there is no way we feel the need to detach from it at all.
Oh, that's very interesting. That's an interesting take. Kuntal, this is a very interesting question that we all want to know because you've traveled the world, you've seen multiple countries, multiple cities and cultures. We would like to know what is the perception of India before and what has it been like now? Has the perception changed over time?
Yeah, Riddhi, let me put it this way, that it would be unfair to say that, yeah, we have the best test of India at this moment. We all know about our Indian glory, and probably we all are proud even of our history and the culture we are blessed with, and we have become more fearless, we have become more optimistic, we have become more collaborative, and that is the new India for me, which have new qualities to add, which is paying dividends in lot of forms. And most importantly, how I see this as, probably if you ask me to 20 years before, the same 1.2 billion population or 1 billion population was considered as a liability, where there was one earning member in the family and maybe 5 stomachs to feed. Now, what have changed, to answer your question on very precise note, that now we have probably a family of 5, all 5 contributing, and so to the household income, which have drastically increased the spending power. And that same 1.2 billion population, which was considered as a liability, have now turned into an asset as big as 1.2 billion consumer market. So that is why the world is eyeing India as a consumer market to sell their product and also to make their product. So that is a good, and I would say that India is the only country where I am seeing that synergy, where you can make in India and sell in India.
Absolutely right. So we all Indians should be proud of what country we belong to and should put it up on the world stage that we have arrived. So exactly, Kuntal. So we all want to know, has the India brand changed after the new government?
Well, definitely yes, there is no doubt about it, that the way our Honorable Prime Minister have portrayed India into the global market, we all owe him a lot, to Mr. Modi, the way he have nurtured Indian growth story and presented it to the world, that this is the market we all should look at without compromising the domestic market potential. It is full of energy, full of power, encouragement to the youth, and I think that's why we see the Indian youth have never been connected to politics. Not only changed India as a brand India and global platform, I would say even in domestic market.
Yeah. So hashtag New India is rising.
Yeah.
So Dara, we would like to know that how do you digest success?
Honestly, Riddhi, we do not look at numbers. For the external world, we might be achieving the goals, our milestone numbers, everything. But in reality, we just treat ourselves as newbies, and this is what keeps us on toes and not being complacent.
Let's explore if this corporate bigwigs are all about numbers, data, boring spreadsheets, or do they have some other side which is more fun? Let's find out. The first question goes to Kuntal.
Okay.
Make it fast. Difference between growth and success.
I think growth is the stage comes after reaching excellence.
Wow. Wow.
And success is probably growth in all the areas of life.
Wow. Interesting. Dara, what is happiness?
Happiness for me is small pleasures of life, maybe a good book or good music, family time, something like that.
Oh, that's lovely. Kuntal, what is sadness?
A weak state of mind.
So, Kuntal, I'm loving your one-liners.
So do I win a hamper already?
Well, you're going to get a lot of love and attention from the viewers, so
Yeah.
that would be your biggest anchor.
I hope so.
Dara, you're up. What is the driving force of ACL?
Strong, dedicated, and enthusiastic young team.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Kuntal, what is the biggest mistake entrepreneurs make?
I think they get too occupied with their ideas and their finance calculation, and they miss out
On the bigger picture.
on the bigger picture, or I would say the dynamic essence of a consumer psychology is where they miss. That's why you see the most of these startups, they don't have longevity.
Absolutely.
So
here is a good tip coming from
yeah,
Kuntal Samri straight to you for all the startups out
yeah.
there.
Don't overdo numbers.
Dara, for you, define competition.
People who keep you on toes.
Oh, nice!
Yeah, my hamper is in there.
Kuntal, the biggest turn off.
I think loud phone rings. Eyes are headed.
Oh,
Yeah, I think if your phone rings, it's only you who should know.
absolutely. That's so Japanese. Alright, Dara, what's the greatest asset?
Family.
Absolutely. And the greatest liability you can't pay, Kuntal?
I think human body, our creator, we owe a lot because most of the process inside our body we are not even aware of. Our blood circulation, digestion, your immunity fighting with COVID.
Yeah.
So had given and we all think we are working very hard, given a choice to control all this process by yourself.
So yeah, we think we are controlling, but there's a universal energy which is even running you.
So we owe a lot. We owe a lot. I don't think we can repay that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You are taking the hamper.
Yeah.
The love of our viewers. Dara, is age and success having any relation?
I think success is different at every age. So like when you are an infant, speaking small words is your success. When you are a toddler, walking, talking is your success.
Wow.
Teenagers might be, good grades or something is your success.
Or maybe getting a love of your life.
Yeah, so probably it differs
From
your
so
age.
it is kind of related if
It
you...
is absolutely related.
Okay, interesting.
Mm.
Very good. Lastly, Kuntal, any tips for new startups?
Well, I think the millennials are too smart and they don't want to hear any tip or lecture.
They don't want any gap. They don't want
So
gap.
I think the millennials, they don't like more of the gyanbazi. So I would keep it very simple for them that whatever you do, just surrender to it. And then without that, you ain't going anywhere. And second, excuses are invalid. So please keep only these two things in mind. No further lecture.
Lovely. So no Gyan Baji directly from the director of ACL. So welcome to the fun segment where we'll get to know our rising stars more intimate and much better. So it's more fun, but you guys have only one disclaimer. You have to answer impromptu.
Okay.
No time allowed for thinking. Alright, let's get started. Start. Early morning or late night?
Late night.
You can't think. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Coffee.
Mountains or beach?
Both.
Mountains.
Adventure or comfort?
Comfort.
Books or TV?
TV.
TV.
Window seat or aisle seat?
Window.
Window.
Pizza or sushi?
Sushi.
You'll buy online or buy in store?
Store.
In store.
Family or friends?
Family.
Both. I think my friends are family.